What's up, everybody? We back. In today's video, construction worker found out his boss is sleeping with his wife, destroys job site.
Co-worker find out boss is f***ing his wife, confront him, and get fired.
Damn, Buck coming in there with the excavator? Damn. Yo, buddy, you wow. Ooh, ooh, boy. The left, the right side. Oh man, my ribs is hurting right now. Are you serious? Are you serious? Buddy buddy up in here. We don't even know who up in the excavator, man. So we gonna say that buddy name is Todd. Todd, for real though? You just gonna destroy the whole job site with the excavator? Dog. I know you hurt, Todd. I know you hurt. But come on, man. Buddy wildin'. He destroying the whole building with the excavator? Man. Hey, man. There's plenty other women out here, Todd. I know it hurt, man, but there's plenty other women. You out here wildin', dog. Todd is out here going ham. Who is that? You better get out of there. That boy Todd gonna run you over.
You're not stopping, you're going to stop. Bring your leg!
Oh, Jesus, boy, you better get up over there before you get run over.
Is anybody in the offices? Sorry, is anybody in the offices? No.
That boy out here wildin'.
Oh, fucking hell. He's going to start pull that tone down. Oh, let's go.
That boy Todd, man. Man, can you just imagine though? You out here working. Obviously, he in construction. He driving the excavator. He making some money. Now, I don't know if he done made his wife go out here and do something, but at the end of the day, his wife, come on now, you out here messing with this man, boss, and they working at the same job site. Come on, man, you got Todd out here just looking bad. You got Todd, he down bad. He out here just swinging his excavator, tearing up the whole building, tearing up the whole project. Todd, you about to go to big jail, dog. You about to go to big jail. You gonna have major fines you gonna have to pay for this, Todd. Like, and I'm pretty sure they probably gonna get you with aggravated assault, like, cause there's people in the joint, like, this building could slick come down, like, real talk, man. Damn, man, all because woman out here cheating or whatever the case may be, but damn, his own boss at the it's wild, man.
Hey, both can do it. Come on, get
Where
away.
the police at? Damn, y'all see the alarm thing? The lights is flickering.
Oh my, let's look at that one now.
Oh, somebody in the back
I'll just spend the last 10 minutes getting those games loaded up.
Damn.
Fucking quid! All you have to do is pay me my fucking 600 quid! 600 fucking quid! When will it be in there?
Oh, he gonna come out. He gonna come out the excavator. Damn. Where the police at? Talk that talk, Todd. You just gonna beat my wife guts up and think I'm finna come work with you? Talk that talk, Todd. Damn, Todd. You gonna be in jail for a while. Look at that. The whole building just come down. Real talk. Alright, y'all, we back, man. Yo, real talk. It's a sad situation that had to happen to that boy Todd, but that still don't condone his behavior, man. It's other individuals that's at that job site, that location. They got family, they got kids. Todd, you up in there just big swinging the excavator, man. You can mess around, that building can just cave down on them individuals. I don't know why they still standing up in there, but hey, man, we got the footage. We got that boy Todd in there wreaking havoc. Dang, dog, the boss is just pounding on your wife, dog, giving back shots and everything. And now you gotta work with him and you find out, dog. Todd, you could have went about this situation in a whole totally different manner, man. You probably could have just waited to the end of the day or whatever. I don't even know when you found out, Todd. You know what I mean? But you could have put hands on him outside of work or whatever when he going to his car. You just gonna wreck the whole job site, dog? Now that's just gonna up the charges. And like I said, man, you gonna have a whole lot of fines you gonna have to pay, boy. That's big money right there. But you about to go to jail. For real, man. Like, dang, Todd. Man, you let that cooler just get you all out of character. You can't let the cooler get you out of character, man. You gotta think about your future. I don't know if you got kids with this with your wife, Todd, but you gotta think about that too, man. But now you about to be in big jail, and then when you get out, you're gonna have big fines to pay. It's gonna be hard for you to, 9 times out of 10, your construction license, whatever, done. You're never gonna see another construction site ever again. I don't know, unless they're gonna pay you up under the table. But with this video right here going viral, they be like, oh, that's Big Todd. Oh yeah, nah, cause they gonna be like, man, we don't know any other type of relationship you get in. We just don't know how you gonna act if something go down in that relationship, man. You probably can get in an argument over a chicken nugget with your girlfriend, and you come to work and now you just, shooting nail guns at people. Like, I don't know, man. Like, you know what I mean? So, Todd, your construction career is officially over. It is over. That boy Big Todd, man, come on, dog. At the end, it's not worth it. There's plenty of people out here in the world, man. Just move on. I know it hurt, but just be the bigger person. Just move on. Continue on with your life, and just try to strive to be the best person that you can be. Especially, like I said, if he got kids in this situation, man, you gotta do what you gotta do for you and your kids. But unfortunately, that boy Todd was not thinking. He let that cooter get him in trouble. Now he in big trouble. Big trouble, man, for real. But yo, check it. That's all I got for y'all on this reaction, man. So if you're here on this reaction channel for the first time, or if you already subscribed to the channel, make sure you smash that like button. Y'all hit that like button. I'm giving y'all this good content. Smash that like button. And also drop your comments below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you know the next time I drop my next reaction video. Until the next time, y'all know the vibe. Peace.